Every breakthrough in energy begins with a simple truth. The sun delivers unlimited power. The challenge is how efficiently we capture it. At the heart of ExoSolar Pro TM is advanced N-type silicon, engineered at the atomic level for higher purity, lower recombination losses, and superior electron mobility. N-type TOPCon Gen 2 cell architecture creates a passivated tunnel contact layer, reducing energy loss, increasing carrier lifetime, and unlocking conversion efficiencies up to 23.7%. Half-cut cells shorten current pathways. Multi-busbar conductors distribute electricity with minimal resistance. The result: lower heat, lower losses, and higher real-world output. Advanced microtexture surfaces and anti-reflective coatings trap more light, capturing energy in early mornings, cloudy skies, dusty air, and evenings. Every layer is engineered for longevity. High-temperature PoE EVA encapsulation, 2.8 to 3.2 millimeter tempered glass. Corrosion-proof 6063 T6 aluminum frames built for a 30 to 40-year service life. While most panels lose power and heat, ExoSolar Pro TM maintains performance with an ultra-low temperature coefficient of -0.29% per degree Celsius, engineered to operate reliably beyond 50 degrees C. Each cell is laser inspected. Each module undergoes multi-stage electroluminescence testing. Only panels meeting strict electrical and structural standards leave the line. Integrated with Exoben's smart energy management system, real-time monitoring, AI diagnostics, solar forecasting, automated load optimization. Paired with Sodio-XTM or Lithium-XTM batteries, ExoSolar Pro TM delivers continuous power, day and night, without diesel, without noise, without interruption. This is not experimental technology. This is engineered power for real rooftops, real climates, and real lives.